spill over the conversations from VIP into regular premium. Thank you.
Thank you. Also, right, that's not financial tax or investment advice. Those are, of course, everything like that is higher risk, higher reward, all the things. So if, it's kind of like it's just like holding Bitcoin. It's high risk, high reward, right? It's one of those, if you believe in it, great. If not, then don't. But you already know it's going to be topsy turvy. And every time they say something, up and down. And if you can't stomach it, just like with Tesla, it's not for you, right? Okay. That's nice. All right. Like I said, I'm going to try to get us through the bell. Not going to be here very long today, just to give you a heads up. I got to take care of all sorts of nonsense today. It's fun day. Today I am in the mobile command center. Hopefully we have good enough internets. This seems to be a good spot for it. If it gets laggy or whatever, just let me know, but hopefully everything should be good to go. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. Another amazing day. Second. Can everybody hear me and see me okay across all systems?
YouTube is up, Twitch is up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
And we got audio.
Recording
That's the
in
biggest
progress.
thing. Thank you. And we got audio over on TikTok and YouTube.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Thank you. All right, want to thank all my moderators. Excuse me. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We honor and respect you so much. Thank you. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world.
Mimi.
Thank you. Thank you. I would do it here, but everybody would stare at me. I'm literally around everybody, or I would fire off this tremendous horn over here.
Yeah, bang bang.
All right. We had ADP numbers came out this morning. Obviously, as you can see, bear with me. Obviously, as you can see, the market, stop with the noise. The market did not like that. Did not like that. I'm not driving, I'm parked. I'm literally just parked. Somebody said, how can you drive and trade at the same time? I'm not. I am parked. So we'll see. We were able to take advantage of the news this morning. One of my members is already up $25,000 this morning. Congratulations. That's amazing. Right? Anytime we have a news event, news always overrides technical analysis. So always be paying attention to the news and different times of the day and when they come out and what you should be in and what you should be looking for. It's very critical that you do that. Real quick, legal. Myself, Chad Christian, or anybody else associated with American Dream Trading, none of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. While you guys are here, while you are training and trading with us, I want you guys to make sure you are using a paper or simulated account. I don't want anybody to lose any real money while we are doing all of our training. If at any time you guys want to join us and jump into the room, we've got 230 people in here right now and the market's not even open. We've also got futures training that's going on right now. They'll have another 50 to 100 people over there right now. You guys can go to americandreamtrading.com, click pricing, or just scroll down. You can join the Discord for free. or you can start with our free premium membership with free 2-day access. After 2 days, of course, you'll be charged for our regular rate of $125 a month. With that $125 a month, you guys will get access into this Zoom that I just talked about. You guys will have a live open microphone. You can actually ask questions from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day that the market is open. You'll get all the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center where you'll have any new and exciting IPOs that come out, and of course the videos on demand. So we've got 11 full training videos over there to get you started with things like the 2-minute EWO, covered calls, cash secure puts, the wheel options, strategies, day trading, swing trading, etc., to help you get started. All of that with a free 2-day trial, free if you guys want to try it out. Otherwise, I highly recommend you guys upgrade to the VIP. With the VIP, you're going to get so much more training. You'll get that early pre-market access with us. That starts at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. Now, remember, as you tier up, you're going to get more and more services, right? So we kind of let you a la carte this for whatever your needs are, whatever, how much time you have in the day to do what we're doing. So VIP again, 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You'll get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on per month, and you'll get access to all the previous workshop classes. We have 50 advanced training videos, over 50 of them to get you started, and more advanced style training. These are longer training videos. You will not find any of my training videos, by the way, on YouTube. None of these exist anywhere else other than in our paid membership areas. You'll also get the TradingView indicators. We are at TradingView 3.0 indicators, which is an overlay on top of TradingView using my 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market for over 33 years now. So if you guys are interested in that, that's VIP. If you're a VIP member, you can upgrade to your VIP Gold for another $250 a month. If you guys, by the way, if you end up getting both at the same time, I believe it's $600 a month. You can have VIP with the Gold add-on. I think that's right. Bruno, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but otherwise, that's $600 a month. With the VIP Gold, you'll get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and help you get set up with your charts. It's not one-on-one training, but it is tech support. We can get you started. You'll get weekend training every Saturday. We've been giving you extra training at 11 o'clock for VIP Gold members. You'll get the Gold Lounge access, the priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold. You got it. Sing! Okay. You get the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything for gold members is recorded. That is across the board. If you are a gold for futures, gold for crypto, you will have everything will be recorded for you. Now, over in futures and over in crypto, they're getting access to it as a beta program, but they will not get access to it once I turn on those gold memberships. But right now, it's all included in there. And there is a note on the very top. Looks like we got a new live goal. The live goal was achieved. Check the goal and celebrate the moment. Thank you. So all of the roses were handed out. I appreciate that. You guys will also get access to the live Apple chat. David, one of my training moderators, is over there in the live Apple chat every single morning at market open, walking you through exactly what he is doing for his trades. Just so you guys know, he is now over, I'm sure it's way over this by now, but $630,000 in profits doing this for the last 2.5 years with us. And he's not had a red day since the beginning of October. That's very impressive. So nice job. Of course, we do have some other a la carte services. You guys can get into the mentorship program with me. That is 1 hour a week with myself or one of our training moderators. Sometimes I'll have one of them cover for me. But that will be 1 hour in a small, intimate group where you can ask any questions. Long-term, 401k, SEPs, IRAs, traditional, Roths, whatever you want to ask in that room. Different insurance practices, how to, once you become a millionaire, what to do with it. There's all sorts of stuff that we do inside of the mentorship program. So make sure you guys check that out. Now that's a la carte. That is $500. Sorry about that loud noise. Nothing I can do about that. That is saying TikTok's causing an issue with me. But anyways, so check it out. If you guys want, you guys can get the Diamond membership. We do have it again today for $5,000 with the Diamond Lifetime membership. You'll get access to all of our membership services, including that mentorship program that I talked about, which is $6,000 a year by itself. So with that Diamond, you're going to get the mastermind classes, 1 hour tech support, weekend training, VIP gold access, priority help desk support, the news service, all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Everything will be recorded, the live Apple chat, pre-market access from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP training videos, all the trading view indicators, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the videos on demand, all the futures lounge access, all the futures VIP, all the futures VIP gold, all the futures VIP trading view indicators, the futures news service, all the Zoom replays, the crypto lounge, the crypto VIP, the crypto VIP gold, the crypto training videos, the advanced crypto training videos, the trading view indicators, the Zoom replays, and all the mentorship membership program.
Great, Coach.
All of that for $5,000. One-time payment. Make sure you sign up today. Bruno will have that posted everywhere right now across all of the channels. Will also let us know when anybody signs up for a Diamond Lifetime membership. Appreciate all of you being here. Do we have any Diamond Lifetime members inside of the room here? You want to open up your mics? Are you alive? Are you in this room with us today?
Yes, sir.
All aboard.
In here making money.
President.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, George.
Every day.
Thank you.
Diamonds
All
are
morning.
guy's best friend.
Thank you. Listen, all of my Diamond Lifetime members, is it worth the money or not? Just be honest. Is it worth the money or not? Let them know.
You bet every single cheek you have on your body.
1,000%.
Already paid for itself.
Oh, nice.
Worth every dime.
Thank you.
100%. 100%.
Thank you.
I'd buy it twice.
Thank you. So good I'd buy it twice.
percent.
I like the way you roll. Thank you. Check is in the mail. Appreciate you. So anyways, yes, seriously, check it out. But if you're on the fence and you're like, well, I don't know which one to get, right? And you just want to try it out, get the VIP. I'm not kidding, right? It's basically going to go from crawling to, running. There is so much more information inside of the VIP. Anybody in here that went from a premium membership to VIP, you want to let the world know like what a difference it really is? Putting you all on the spot. You guys are all got the spotlight right in your face. Anybody who was an OG premium who got the VIP at any point, was it worth it?
Yes, it is.
Absolutely. 110%.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Sorry, I don't want it to be me. And they'll be like, well, of course you'd say it's good. You're the sales guy. I'm just saying. Thank you. We do more training and education than, as far as I know, than any other stock market education company in the history of doing what we do. This is why we are rated #1 for sales and service. We are a top rated selling company for what we do with the service out of, I think there's 26,000, maybe 40. I don't know. The number keeps changing because they're growing so much, but on our merchant store, we are one of the top sellers and top rated out of over 20,000 companies. And we have been since the day we walked in the door. There is a reason for that, because we want to give you the best service, technology, strategies, and cutting edge to help you become a successful stock market trader and not another call out chaser.
Coach, may I give a comparison?
Yes, 1 second. VVSMBI says, where can I get the gold? Go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com, click on pricing, scroll down where it says more products and services. Click that button, you'll see it in there. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, so for those that are wondering and trying to evaluate whether you should invest in yourself, the knowledge and the experience in this group, it goes from you just doing addition and subtraction to actually algebra and geometry. The knowledge is that much deeper and that much different. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. It really is. Now listen, in the beginning, it's going to be very challenging, right? There's going to be so many things to learn, and where do I go and what do I do? Well, listen, when you get in here, when you go to americandreamtrading.com, sign up for the free Discord or one of our premium memberships, we do an onboarding every week. That is a live onboarding with our moderators here where you can get in, you can ask questions. They'll show you where to go, how to navigate Discord, what time events go on, where do you go for what type of training, who is doing what, where, how, why, and when. Every week, we do a live onboarding to make sure everybody has access. I don't know why TikTok is acting so silly. Apologize for that. If it does that, you just have to ignore it. It's just saying TikTok's not ever blah, 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 blah. Unfortunately, if I kill the system where it stops doing that, then it doesn't alert me if we've gone offline. So, if you don't have a lot of capital, do you suggest starting with a prop firm? I suggest you start with nothing. I suggest you start with literally nothing. You should not use any money at all, especially if you have a little bit of capital. There's no reason at all for you to, lose real money while you are training. Zero. Paper trade. Get it right. Do not ever use real money. I cannot stress this enough. You must learn, everything that's going. How much should we start with? Zero. Viral vibes. Zero. I don't care what the little kids at TikTok tell you in the morning. You should start with no money. If you want to invest in anything, get the training, whether it's with me or someone else. Why would you put all the money into a stock market or futures or options or crypto account and lose it instead of getting the training, right? Again, whether it's me or whoever else you trust or whoever you like or whoever's got the coolest Lambo, whatever the next flavor is, or, whoever's drawing the next lines when, all the stuff, right? So seriously, zero. Invest in training. So same thing. Train more, trade less. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm telling you. Do not use real money in here. Right? Get trained up. Stop popping up that. Hold on. Let me see if I can tell it no audio at least, for crying out loud. While I'm doing this, I need everybody aware. We've got a couple things coming up. 10 o'clock is always a shift change. Isn't there Fed or something going on? Is it 9? Anybody 9:45? What's going on today? Somebody give me while I'm trying to look at this. What do
10
we got?
o'clock ISM.
Which one? I'm sorry. Go ahead.
10 o'clock ISM.
Okay, thank you.
PMI numbers.
PMI, thank you. Sorry, I'm trying to look to see if there's any way I can tell this thing no audio noise. Bruno, can you do me a favor today? Can you look and see if there's a way with TikTok Studio that it will still alert us in Windows, but not audio alert us like that? Bang, ding, 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 all that stupid noise.
Is that like members like liking the stream, or is that
It's when it's saying that it's having a hard time, like it's failing, like internet or something.
yeah, because I just went in there and it looks like I got booted out, so I got to
Oh, I
do the
gotcha.
re-login thing again. I
Okay.
need a code again. But on the flip side of that, once you're live, I can't. I could see the live,
Got
but
it.
it acts like I'm going live and it's ready. It's fired up, but I can't see any of the stats.
No
or
worries.
any-
Go ahead and
yeah.
try to log in now. I will send you the code right now if you can do it now.
All right.
All right, while he's doing that, everybody be cool. Nobody's going to go rogue today. I want you guys to follow all of the rules. Not some, all of the rules. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you guys are paper trading only while you are training. Do not use any real money. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every single trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next month off. Yes, I said month. Do not... Bear with me. Let me see if I can kill this. Hold on. Oh, I found it, Bruno.
Got it.
I'm gonna actually send it to you too, just so you can see it. There you go, partner. Do not, again, if you have 2 red trading days in a row, take the next month off. Make sure you have those stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure you go with small position sizes, right? Small position sizes, so that will allow you to stop out those losers and let the runners run. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day. That's the most volatile time of the day. I don't want anybody getting burned up during that time, okay? Love your faces. I think that's it.
Coach,
Yes, go ahead.
love your face.
Love your face. Sorry, today I'm going to be a little erratic. Who knows what's going to happen today? I'm not going to be here very long. I'm going to get us through the open. I will be trading a live account today. This will be a live futures account, cash account. This is not a prop firm. I do want to get back to some of the prop firms, though. I did have a good time trading the prop firms just so you guys can see what it looks like. All the things. I see it, Bruno. I'm sending it to you now. Sent.
Got it.
Thank you. Gonna have an amazing day. Now, moderator, since I am in the mobile command center, I will not have access to kill mics and all the other things. So please do me a favor. If you guys see anybody with their mic open, just go ahead and help them mute it. If you see their mic open twice, go ahead and remove them from the room. We'll give them access later. Please be mindful of that, everybody, right? It makes it very hard when we are running everything, when we've got microphones just going crazy and people talking and coughing and you're at work and all the things. So please try to keep the microphones muted. We got about 7 minutes now to the bell. Ready for another amazing day. Ready to rock and roll. Did anybody make any money yesterday, by the way? You want to open your mics and let the world know if you made any money, did you?
Had a great day yesterday, Coach.
Good,
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
In paper, yes, coach.
M2K got it done.
Good, good. Everybody,
Yeah.
Had
sir.
a good day yesterday and a good day today.
Pitching.
yes.
Good job, Richard.
Good job. Nice work. Bucko even says over here, made money yesterday. Mark says made 54,000 yesterday. Kevin made 3.2 thousand. Tube says made 1.5 thousand. Nice job. That's all over there on TikTok. Good job. Dale, $765. Nice job over on TikTok. Appreciate you. Sorry, I can't see my YouTube stream. I don't have my secondary monitor in here right now, so I apologize if you guys are saying anything on YouTube or Twitch. I appreciate you. Thank you for all those follows. I see some new followers over here. Thank you so much. Very nice. Up 4.5% total account, says Ray Ray. Nice job. 4.4. Nice job. Good job. Like I said, some of our members are already getting it done. Mark's already up 25,000 this morning. He's not messing around. I'm sure we've got some other people hot on his trail, right? Looking to do good things today. So everybody, again, nobody is allowed to go rogue. Trade the trades. Check your bias at the door. Watch your key critical levels. As you already know, you should already have on your chart pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low, right? Should all be on here. I don't know why this is not setting. Hold on, let me put it in here. All right, let me put this on the big screen. We're going to do it all right now. That'd be great. There's your pre-market high. There's your previous day high. There's your pre-market low. And previous day low. And a critical level. There you go. Done. Now, was that so hard? Come on now. This is a major level. We're going to see this today. Right here. For everybody, we got about 4 minutes to the bell. The reason is, let me draw this on the screen for you. You can see all this traffic right here, right here, right here, and all this right here. You see why this is going to be a critical level for us today? Okay, great. Let me put this, there we go. A little easier to see. Yay! All right. That's it. All set up for success. Now, let me
May I
set
give
this. Go ahead.
may I give a heads up for the 10 o'clock report on ISM PMI? If it's below 52, we're contracting. If it's above 52, we are expanding. That's it.
Okay, thank you. You guys can see right here, I'm making some changes on the fly, right? You can see I'm going to have an automatic stop loss in place. I'm going to do last price right here by default, which I will change it to mid as soon as it comes up. This will be 10 ticks. Mid, boom, done. Setup. Turbo, same thing. Stop. Just like that. All right, 2.5 minutes to the bell. Thank you again, everybody, for joining me. How long should you paper trade for? Until you're consistent, till it all makes sense, till you understand it, till you got the ebbs and flows of whatever stock it is you're looking at, whichever, when you start to become comfortable, then and only then, right? Do you want to come in with, one share, even a Ford or whatever it is, right? So something very small, manageable, right? That's what you're after. You want very small and manageable, okay? So that comfort level's got to come from you, whatever you are comfortable with. Now remember, everybody, today, make sure you call out when we get a 2-minute EWO, especially if we can catch it on the first indicator, okay? So it would be Apple 2-minute EWO, first indicator to the upside. Apple 2-minute EWO, second indicator to the upside, right? That's it. Don't need nothing else. I don't need to know that you've already made $8,000 on the trade when it's before 10 o'clock. Love your faces. I appreciate all of you. I know we all get really excited in here and we want to celebrate, but we will try to hold off the celebrations until after 10 o'clock. That's all I'm saying. I don't want to, it's not all stifled and nobody can have fun. That's not it. It's just in the first 30 minutes, we got 1 minute left. In the first 30 minutes of the day, it's going to be fast and furious. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so everybody be cool. Remember, the first 3 minutes is extremely nutto. If you guys want to watch something, right, if you're just watching, watch for that first 15 minutes. See what the first 15 minutes is going to do. So you can watch that first 15-minute candle to see what the market is going to try to do for a while, right? I know the kids are calling it orb, right? Open range breakout. But that's just my 15-minute rule. So we're looking at 15 minutes on large to mid cap size stocks. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if SPY can get a nice pop here above this 200. That's what I'm watching for. All right. Apple starting to make a move. Now remember, Apple over there is on a 2-minute EWO right out of the gate. See it?
Tesla forming a double bottom.
Thank you. SPY starting to make a little bit of a move here. That's what we're watching for. See if that can continue to climb over here. Watching for that breakout of 597 is what I'm looking for. Why? Because we had all that pullback at the open. There it is. I've protected the trade. Moving my stop up. Boom. I'll take it. Just made $700. Could have had a little bit more. I'm just being very cautious right here. I'm being
Nice job,
very,
coach, because it's choppy.
yeah, I'm being very cautious. Just wanted to make a quick buck in there and being very cautious. Just keeping an eye on it here. Everybody be cool. Try not to go crazy on me. Get your stops in place. Love your faces. Looks like profit was $413.70 when it was all said and done. Still waiting. You can see Apple hit 204 and pulled back on the 2-minute.
Tesla second red EW.
Thank you. On it. Yep, Tesla's still pulling to the downside. Now, SPY is coming up on a double top, 597.60-ish. Right? You see it?
NVIDIA 2-minute EWO.
To the downside.
Thank you. All right, we're up here in a critical area. On SPY. Double top. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir. And also, I know it runs with ES, which has a double top from the 19th.
Yep, I've got it actually on my screen as we're talking about it.
You're a genius.
It's a double top. Here we go. Let's see if we get a nice pullback out of this area. Tesla still pulling back. Just watching to see if this has more to the upside before it pulls back, because technically we're still not all the way up there to the top yet. We are about as close as you can get right now. Everybody see it? There's your cup right there. Full cup. Ding, 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 ding. Cup is formed. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Let's see if I can give this enough room.
Met a double top at previous day high.
Thank you. Hopefully I gave this enough room to work. A little more. Oops. Just trying to protect the trade. There it is. Oh, it won't stop. Get that stop in there. All I'm trying to do is get my stop in there. Needs a little more pull. Got it. Boom, there it goes. Oh, I'll take it for another 600. Looks like it only locked in about 200 in profit, up $620.90. But I got that little micro pullback. It wasn't a ton. I got a little taste out of there. Did you see it? Little dabble, do ya? Perfect pullback off that top. All right, now let's see if this breaks through. I'm watching for a breakthrough, pullback, retest, take off. I'll long it. Otherwise, I'm still up here in these shorts, right? Okay, good. That's nice. Look at Tesla being hammered. Qs are doing the same thing. Qs still to the upside. Right here, watching to see if SPY is going to pull back, retest, or is it going to make new highs? It's fading. There's your test. You see it come down and touch it? I'm going to put in a tighter stop on this one up here. Why? Because if it pulls, it's going to pull no matter what. Just waiting for this candle to see if it can break new high up there. See it? If it does, I will long this.
You just did on Qs, Coach.
Yep, I'm seeing it. Still not a that's still not a candle confirmation up there, is it, gang? No.
Not quite.
Nope, nope, nope.
Apple still going strong
Not
to
at
the
all.
upside.
Thank you. This is still up here on the ceiling. We're still at resistance. This could still knife drop at any time because we're technically still up on this double top, right?
Yeah, it's not quite confirmed.
Nope. You can see it keeps retesting. This is support. It keeps fighting with this. Like, is it resistance? Is it support? It's trying to get through this little spot. So I will let it tell me. This breaks through, starts ripping new high. Boom, I'm in it. Oh, it didn't set. Like I said, I've got a tighter stop in case it tanks, right? Looking for a nice run here. Come on, get up there and stay. I hate putting that stop while it's, teetering in there, but I also don't need this thing to knife drop, get back a bunch while it's trying to determine what it wants to do. So it needs to get up here and rip. It's still set up really nice bullish. Let's see if it can hold. I've already got my stop. This is me holding the stop, by the way. The stop is still technically in place. Can you guys see me moving it? It's still sitting there in reality. All I got to do is let go, but it's still hard placed. Does that make sense? This isn't a live stop I'm moving. It's technically still sitting there. I hope that makes sense. And there, it just sold off. It hit my hard stop while I was trying to have it pop. Did you guys see it? That's how that works.
Got it.
That way, the second it breaks, I let go of my mouse. Boom, it places it. I'm golden. If not, I've still got the hard stop in place. I'm covered. All right, here's the retest. So it went all the way up. It came back down. It's just, they gave us a nice signal to the top that looked like it was going to be good, and it wasn't. Here, this is technically then the retest. This breaks through to the downside. I'll short it. Sitting on the 9. If it pops back up, I will long it. Stop is in place. There it goes. Looking good. Moving my stop up. Nice. Keep going. Stopped out. Not bad. Made $400 on the trade, but it's only up because that last one put me down a little bit. $285.30. But this is bullish. You guys see this?
Yes, sir.
Scooped it off the 9. I got a little too aggressive with the stop. I'm going to have to stop doing that. I got to give it a little bit more room so I can work. There it is. Let's see if it'll come down and pick me up. Same drill, just waiting to have this, right? Punch through and rip. That's what we're shooting for, right? Otherwise, a little too tight of a stop. Let's say, otherwise I've got my stop right here. I'm just protecting this spot. Now notice I'm just kind of breaking even so far, right? Now I'm down $300. Up and down and up and down and up and down. That's kind of the life of a day trader. But guess what? Second I get into one that's meaty, $4,000, right? So it's going to be a little bit of back and forth, a little bit of going through the motions. Here we go, back to the 9.
Tesla, new lower day going straight to hell.
Thank you. See if this is going to break through this 9. Looks like it's trying to right here.
All big 7 pulling right now.
Thank you. There it goes. Come on, get down there. That's better. That's a better trade right there. All the way. Yes.
Tesla and NVIDIA is still pulling.
Boom, I'll take it. That's 800.
It's an outcome for 365. Oh, there's someone else.
Moderators, kill that, please. Thank you. Now, do you guys see what I'm talking about, though? Like, it'll be back and forth, a little bit of here, give and take, and all that, and then it'll be shong, right? Sitting on
Coach, I
VWAP.
apologize to interrupt.
You're all right. Sitting on VWAP here.
I apologize to interrupt you before 10 a.m., but I believe what Nana meant to say was, oh, Billy.
Thank you. I only caught a little bit of that, but thank you. All right. Looking to see if we get a bounce right here on VWAP. Oh, we're getting some volume here. You guys see how the candle's starting to flicker more? You guys see it? Oh, we had 9:45 news, yes? PMI?
The big one is at 10, but yes, there's some
Okay.
little ones at
Okay.
9:40.
Thank you. Yeah, you can see big volume here, right? Look at the way the candle's dancing. See if this can stay up above VWAP and the 9.
It was S&P Global PMI, Coach, at 9:45.
Is it? Okay, thank you.
Forecast was 52.1. It was 53. Services PMI 52.3, 53.7.
Thank you. There it is. Protect my trade. Ah, a little too tight right there. But I don't care. I love to protect my trade. You guys know how I do that. I don't care if it only makes $100. I'd rather be protected all the time than risking 800 to 1,000, which is my original stop, right? And once I get into a runner, off to the races, baby. All right, we're back up here on that ceiling again. Pre-market high was 597.67. Way up here in the clouds again, right, gang? Just waiting patiently. How's everybody doing? Everybody all right? I know the market's been open for a whole 17 minutes. Everybody all right? Everybody take a breath. Woo-sa.
Yes, sir.
Everybody woo-sa. Thank you. You'd be all right. We're way up here in the ceiling again. Same drill. Being patient. No reason to force anything, right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Soxel's at 1907, up 4.25%.
Oh my
Soxel.
gosh. Yes. Yes. Woo!
And climbing.
Yes, thank you. The gift that keeps on giving, right?
Yep.
I've had calls on Soxel since you.
Oh, we lost you, partner. Go ahead. We lost him. What happened?
He probably accidentally muted himself.
My bad.
Yep, go ahead. We lost you again, partner. Hello?
You there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry about that. As I have an internet. I've got $40 Soxel calls for January ever since you said it was on fire sale, and they've all like crazy increase since then.
How much increase?
Let me check real quick.
Now remember, depending on his delta, how far he went out, etc., is going to determine, right?
44%.
44%. Nice job. Good job. Yeah, because the stock price has almost tripled since I called it out. Good job.
I've been shedding and buying more as it's been going up, but the last
That's
2
why it
days it's
changed.
been just climbing.
Yep, nice job.
PMI came out early. It is positive, up over 52.
All right, thank you. Look at this up here in the ceiling still. Everybody see this? For spies, you see how it's just hanging around up here on the top?
It's pretty uncharacteristic.
Yeah, it's got
This
it.
guy is pulling another huge red candle again.
All right, thank you. Nice job.
And why it
Anybody?
hasn't flushed is crazy.
Yeah, I know. It's we're just riding pine up here, right?
Everybody's in disbelief. 598. Oh no.
Yep. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is the setup. There it is.
I believe it's because it's contrary between the ADP down and the PMI up.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it, Palm. I didn't do a market order. I tried to buy it at limit.
I sat in puts. I took it at, as soon as I crossed VWAP.
Nice job.
I was
Oh,
getting a little worried though. It looked like it was going to pop.
yeah. It was definitely sketch up there. Oh man, this is great. Now I missed it. I tried to buy limit and it missed the order and kept on churning. Oh, it's all right. It's always another trade, always another day.
Yeah. Now I feel like I sold too soon.
Yeah, since now it's under VWAP, right?
Yeah.
And holding. Well, there you go. See? Good job, Palm. Right? You never know. Yeah, nice work. Hey, you know how we do, right? I'd rather have the guaranteed money.
Yeah.
Lock it in.
The first half hour is just chop, chop, chop.
Yeah. Same.
I just ride that little channel, whatever it produces.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, same. I'm kind of up, down, up, down. I'm barely green, 300 to the green side. So it's for same for me, just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah, the fills have been rough this morning.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get another pop here now. We had that nice candle there showing a good level of support off that bounce. It was close to the 55. I mean, that was bullish, right? Had a nice strong bounce. And we're back up in this channel again.
They're holding it up pretty easy.
Yep. Yeah, considering like everything else is just kind of flat and Tesla's, tanking and all this. Yeah, Amazon, same thing, flat. Apple. Oh, Apple's holding it up. Apple's still running.
44% on runners.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
And actually went in a little bit larger than normal. Instead of about 11,000, 10,000 in contracts, I was about 15 to 16,000. So
Yes. I told you were ready anyways, right?
yeah.
How's it feel, man? It's got to be so much better profit-wise.
Yeah, so I've locked in already about 2,800.
Yes.
Nice job.
Good job, man. I love that.
Well, it's because I knew I wasn't going to be able to trade Friday morning pretty much. And I was like, okay, well, I'm going to see. I'm going to give it a dab and leave it. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Little dab will do ya. I tell you, the one good thing, right, of the day you picked is Apple is just straight running up, right?
Yep, we had everything in alignment. I'm just
Yep.
waiting for the break of that channel. So
Yep.
we got it within the first minute. So
Yep.
it was good.
Great job, man. Proud of you, partner. How's the little one doing? Uh-oh, my internet's down. My internet's sluggish. Hopefully I didn't lose you.
Well, I kind of heard you chop up, break up apart.
There it goes. Yep. How's the little baby? Everything okay, Mama, and everybody's good?
Yep, everything's good.
Okay.
So we're still progressing.
Good. Keep me updated, man.
Oh yeah, I'll post some more pictures in the moderator lounge.
Awesome. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, they're cool, David. Thanks.
That is so awesome.
Congratulations, David. Hey, I don't know if anybody saw this CLRB. I've been in it. It's just above the 9 the whole way, and I'm up $19, $20. So
Oh, nice. What is it? CLRB?
CLRB.
Yeah.
Charlie, Larry, Robert, Boy.
Oh, good call. Yeah, I like it. It's moving up nice.
Yeah, I bought it just before, just like on the 2-minute EWO.
Thank you. Oh, look at this, Palm. Yeah, we're starting to get some chaos here now, Palm. Look at this.
Yep.
Look at that. The 9 and 21 of VWAPs all collapse together.
Yeah.
Everybody see how it's starting to look like it's hanging here just a little bit? So this is a pop or drop right here. Everybody see it?
Oh yeah.
It's a
I'm waiting.
rounded
ready for 10
top too.
o'clock.
Yeah, rounded top. Yep.
I think Palm or somebody called it spaghetti the other day.
Yeah, now the funny thing is a lot of times when it does this, it will try to go opposite. So it'll try to pop, get hammered, and then just get wrecked. But yeah, so far, I mean, this is very bearish the way this is starting to form.
Yeah, we'll have that kind of rubber band, effect, pull back, go or the other way, but it's like spring.
I'm in it. Ah, damn it. I really am I overly protected that trade, but that's because we're so close to where it rebounced before. I did not want to be it fully exposed. This is exactly where it bounced before. You know what I mean? So I took the chance at the spot. Yeah, and there it goes. See, now had I left that in there and had I not overprotected that, right now I would have lost $1,250, which is my original stop on that. Well, 8 is not. Hold on, what's 8 ticks? 1,000? Yeah.
Like 597.20. This is where you rebound every single time.
Yep, and it just did it at 952, 953. It did it again at 957. Do you guys see why I
Yeah.
did that, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's better a little bit that be in
Yep.
the red, coach.
Protect that trade.
MCTR, hold it to the upside. We'll resume at 10:02:08.
Awesome, thank you.
Shift change, 2 minutes.
Oh, thank you.
And ISM PMI.
Thank you. See if we get a rip here at 597.60, which is what I had marked before. Because it made a nice bullish move off that bounce again off the 55. Got back up here to this 597.60. So if it sits up here, I've got a tight stop right below this 9. But the way it came up here, if we get a nice pop here, she's going to run. Just looking to protect the trade. Tighter stop. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Come on, baby. Pop and go. Let's see it pop and go. Come on. If not, I'm protected. 5 seconds. Look for a crazy. That better.
Oh, that was nice.
Cheers, coach.
I was gonna say that stop better have triggered. Holy crap. It didn't. That stop never triggered on that.
Give it a second, it'll pop.
Yep. Well,
shit.
I had that trade and my stop never triggered. It just costed me 3
Oh.
grand. Yep.
I had puts with a tight stop.
Wow.
Coach, that drop was 20% on the whole account. I was in the downside.
Nice job. Yeah, that because my stop never
Still
went
in
off.
it. It's beautiful.
My stop never went off, so it costed me 3 grand.
For you folks that want to receive the futures training, let me tell you real quick. That was a simple $500 3 contract /NQ, and it went to $700 on that drop.
Yep, nice job. Just like with contract options. Okay, right here. Let's see if we get a break. Now we're a little bit more volatile. I'm going to open this up. Yeah, that had the hard stop in there. That's the problem, right? Because it didn't sell off. It just went shring, and I saw it was down $5,000. So it technically it triggered in the middle of all that, but it obviously didn't trigger where I had it because it should have been about a $600 risk, right? Oh well.
It would have looked like it.
Yeah, it was a
I only played
$600
it to the
risk.
downside, coach, because I was watching M2K and the Qs.
Here we go. Yeah, well, it was all on the news. I mean, you had a 50-50 shot. That's it.
But I had that tight stop in there that you taught me.
Yep. It's a little knee-jerk reaction. Dropped. I had 596.28 marked. It hit 596.27. Everybody see it?
I had a straddle.
Is this heavy again right here? What are we going to do here? Yeah, nice job. All right, we're right here again on the 200. It's heavy again here, Palm. Look at it sitting on this.
Yeah, on these when they have the shenanigans like this, if it runs down like that, quite often they create a little exit rally for themselves, and then after the little exit rally, then it's just kind of back to business as usual. But
Yeah,
and that's kind of what I was thinking. So as soon as I sold off those puts, I immediately gamma flipped back into calls for a quick ride, and I went all the way up. I dumped those. I'm back in puts.
yep.
But I'm sloppy fills. I'm at like $1 a contract off.
Right.
So now I'm going to take them there, and I'm going to wait and see what it does.
Yep. Yeah, this is some topsy-turvy stuff now.
Yeah, that was messy.
Yeah, because now
It
people
worked
don't.
out.
Yeah, now people don't know what to do with it. So
Nope. That's because it flushed down so far. They're like, hey, what the hell?
yeah, so now it's like, is it gonna get back down to that fill, or is it gonna try to make, new highs again?
So on the macro chart, 596, 597 was kind of like the safe zone. It was like the thickness of the floor when it was higher. It was the thickness of the ceiling when it was lower.
Yep.
So I'm guessing that's going to be the safe zone within that dollar spread. And that's going back That's going back 6 months. It just when it was in this area, that
Right.
dollar spread was where it would land.
Also, what's very interesting is like Nvidia and Tesla are down, but Apple is up. So
Right.
if I feel like spies in the middle of all that do not really know what to do too.
Right, that's where I'm just waiting right here. There it goes. Protect the trade. I'll take it. 500. Eight ticks. Okay.
Tesla's breaking a triple bottom from Wednesday low and Friday low.
Thank you.
Yeah, Tesla's been beautiful to the downside.
I'm loving it.
Qs are pulling.
This is usually a bounce area for Tesla too.
Yeah, look at that thing, Paul.
Yeah, I'm still looking for SPY here to keep shrinking, going to the downside.
It's Apple holding it up.
Yep.
How is Apple up?
If Apple could pull, that thing will go straight to hell.
We don't want Apple.
David's like, no,
I
we're in
hear
there.
you, David.
David's like, we're in there long. No, no.
David's like, shut your dirty mouth.
I know, right?
Like I just broke 54%. I needed to hold now.
Come on, Spy, collapse.
And Tesla's going to hell.
Oh, here, I called it.
There it goes. Go.
All right.
There it goes. Go, go, go.
It's a 596.25 is a bounce area too.
Yep. I just took that for 2,000. There it goes. That was
Sweet.
that pull. Yes, we're
Nice.
fighting right here. Palm, this is support partner. This is close of day yesterday.
Yep. And yep, I got it for a bunch of good reasons too. I'm hoping that that works out.
Yep, I'm looking to short the hell out of it here again. I got to let this work now, though. This is support, everybody. Okay? You hear me?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
We hear you, Coach.
Thank you. All
Falls
right.
on support,
All
puts
right.
on resistance.
All right, here we go. Let's see if we can do something. Oh, look at the cues flushing out. Oh, yes. Come on, baby.
Tesla, keep flushing out.
Come on, go. Come on, go poo-poo.
Poo for daddy.
Come on, go. There it is. Locked in. Locked in, baby. Yes, go. There it is. Go. Ah, take you for another 1,000. Woo!
I am 200% on my Tesla put.
Nice job. Look at this. Now, everybody, remember when that son of a got me for 3 grand? I'm even. Go, baby, go. I've got another level at 595.50. Go. Boom, I'll take another grand out of it. You guys see that trade? Shot, baby. I've got that level marked at 595.50, Palm.
Yep, I had a 43, same thing.
Good job. Yeah, that was, let me look.
How many calls off that?
Nice job. That was pre-market low, Palm. Had to go back and look at my indicators for it. Everybody see it? That's your pre-market low.
Yep.
We see it, coach.
Yep, nice job. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Huh? Look at that. Pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Yes. Good job, Palm.
Oh, that was nice. Nice bounce.
Yeah,
Oh.
good job.
Yeah, 327.50 is a 2-week low.
Thank you. Did I save anybody's butt down there on that level? Everybody got FOMO?
Yep, 5% on a call, coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. Good job. I had to go back to the damn trading view indicator and go, why do I have it marked?
I'm out of it.
Yep. Back to the 9. Nice job. Great trade, Palm. So, okay, so out of all this chaos today, up and down, and of course I got hammered when the damn news event happened, and it did not fill my order at all. Oh, my internet's unstable. Hold on. So when it's all said and done, I'm up a whole $500 right now. All that work for $500 right now. But hey, where else are you going to make $500 in 40 minutes, right? In the stock market? You know, like in your day job, are you guys making $500 in 40 minutes?
Hell no.
Oh my, Mark over here. Oh my
Coach, that was
gosh.
14% in 4 minutes off your training.
Yes. Wait till you guys hear what Mark's at right now. Oh my. He is just crushing it. Hold on, I'm gonna ask if I can say when we get to these large numbers, I always want to make sure it's legit. You know, like I can share it with the group. Nice. That's incredible. What a nice bounce off of SPY right there on the pre-market low. Support at 595.50. We call it was 594, or I'm sorry, 595.49, Palm is what I got. It hit 595.49. Can you guys see it?
Yep. I've got that line in there from quite a while ago. It's very, it was at 43. So it's and things are moving so fast. You just got to hit the neighborhood, right?
Yep. Oh, here we go. Pull back off the 9. Come on, baby, pull.
I'm in it.
Okay, Mark said where it go. Mark, so far this morning, has made $78,813.50.
Shut
Nice.
the front door.
That's amazing.
Amaze balls.
Yes. It's funny, Mark's almost making his damn annual salary. He is. He's making his annual salary every other day. You know what? Every 2 days he makes his annual salary now. How crazy is that?
That's beautiful.
American Dream Trading. If that doesn't pump you up, shit, I don't know what to tell you. You're in the wrong place. If that doesn't get you going, I don't know what to tell you, right?
What's Mark focusing on?
He is trading futures only. He's in futures. And I
That's what I
guarantee
thought.
you he's in ES. He got that pull. So where I was long, he was short. He got that pull and he was doing 30 contracts. Remember? He said he was doing and he said he was gonna upsize to 100 today, Palm.
That's good.
Yep.
You forgot the 50 cents.
No, I said it. I made sure to add the damn 50 cent. I added it. I added it. I'm not getting yelled at again. There we go. Up to VWAP. Dancing around.
Asking what Mark does, come and join futures and he trains you to a T, and there's 5 or 6 others that help you tremendously.
There you go. Or just get the training sitting literally right here that he took over to the futures.
Yes, sir. He certainly is coached and he lifts you up constantly.
Thank you. That's the beauty of what we're doing, right? Oh, this is staying above the 9, but we're below VWAP. So this is sketch, right? This is a weird spot where typically right here, I would be longing SPY, but we're still below VWAP. So I don't want to do that here. And if I
And
do,
Meta recovered completely and went new high day.
wow.
Or invest in the diamond and you can go to either side.
Yes, that would be right. The smartest move you could ever make in your life, ever.
And he probably didn't say, but it's a super sale at 5,000.
Super. Yeah, it's 75% off. Super sale.
Mullen, hold it to the upside. It will resume at 10-19-36, up 72%.
Nice.
MULN.
Thank you. Muln. All right, here we go. Come on, baby, get up there. Come on, see if we get a nice pop. Come on. There you go. Stop in place. Nice. Boom, I'll take another 1,000 out of it. Look at that. There it goes, Palm. Damn it. Oh well.
And I'm
Nice.
taking that.
Nice. Everybody look at that. Was that beautiful or what? Huh?
Amazing.
Woo.
Now we're looking at this to drive all the way back up to 597.63. See it? Just sitting here waiting now. Oh, that's actually a good spot.
See if we can hold it.
Yep. Just hit it as soon as it tapped. Oh, I couldn't hold. Come on. Yeah, I hit it right when it touched VWAP again. Oh, you fall below that. I'm going to hammer you to the downside now. Come on, what are
All
you
the
going to do?
market is pulling right now, all of them.
I'm watching it. Looks like a fake out to me. Let me see.
To
Yeah,
some
well,
degree, they're all doing it.
yeah, the Qs are still under VWAP. Yeah, I'm just waiting. If SPY, okay. If I'm waiting for a setup, 597.65 to short. See it?
Oh,
Told you it was pulling.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, let's see what happens here. And it's a fake out. I got stopped out. Skate back money. Come on, what are you doing here? Oh, it's trying, man. It is trying.
It's a tough spot. You have the 209 right there, and
I'm
VWAP is
watching it.
barely above it.
I'm watching it. It faked me out off that last candle. You guys saw that, right? Faked me out.
Yep.
Huge fake
You
out.
got a line there at
Yeah, we saw that.
597.07. This is a
I
hard
sold my
stop.
call and I decided to
And,
wait.
and what did I say when the market started pulling? Didn't I say it looks like a fake out? This son of a.
I just don't like it. Don't like where it is right now. It's a tough spot.
All right, gang, here we go. Yeah, this is crazy right here. Come on. Looks like it wants to drive again.
Just be careful on that spot, coach.
I
Not a new
am.
high.
Everybody just listen to the sound of my voice when this makes a move. Everything is jammed up right here. But it's up, up, up. See it stair stepping up? Everything is right here. Lots of support underneath it. Come on, get up there if you're going to go. Get up there and rip. Hopefully my stop's big enough to the downside. Since I mechanically moved it, I can't see it. Just touch the 9. See it?
Yeah, Apple is pulling, coach.
Yep, that's fine. Not worried
Be
about it.
careful.
Always careful.
Probably is waiting for the 9.
Love your face, coach. You know that.
Come on, baby. Go. Right here. Touch the 9. Rip. Rip it. Consolidation area. Got to move this screen so I can see more, but if I do, I got to let go of this mouse, which is going to jack my stop. That's going to trigger my stop. That is going to definitely trigger my stop. Yep. That could not hold at all. Just playing in this range. All right, I got burned twice goofing around with it, right? I need to be patient. You got to let this one work.
And see how relevant that 96 to 97 range is today. Just because that was an area of strength, like for 4 months in a row,
right?
Previously.
I mean, just like this now, I was going to say, now it's showing major signs of weakness.
Yeah.
I want to see it going under the 200 or above 597.20 at least. One over the other. And it's right in the middle. I don't like it.
Yeah, now we're under the 9, so and
The
VWAP
200 is right there too. I want
and the
under the
21.
200 for confirmation. There we go. A little bit more.
Yep, I want to see it bleed out. If it's going to do it, though, it's got to make a nice bleeder candle to start triggering those stop losses, right?
Yeah, and look at that. Boom, fake out. Coming back to VWeb. That's
Yep.
why I'm not touching it.
Yep. I've got a bigger stop on it this time. Yeah, so I was getting chopped up too much with those tight stops, so I'm just going to let it work in here.
You know, so people playing the breakout, you need either 596.50 to the downside or 597.25 to the upside break and hold. Otherwise, you're scalping in the channel.
Yup, agree.
Yeah, it's look at this. Look at all these candles in the middle. Look at these candles, Palm. Every one is a doji. Every candle is a doji candle.
Yep. It's that plate of
Yeah,
spaghetti.
that's what,
You can't do nothing with a plate of spaghetti.
No, this is terrible.
that's what I was telling you. I don't like it there.
Put cheese on it and eat it.
Yeah.
This is terrible.
Give me some Parmesan and meatballs.
It needs to get out of that channel, period.
Yeah,
One
this
way or
is
another, I don't care.
all right. Here we go. Yeah, this is terrible. Last time I flipped the script right here is when it knife dropped on me.
So they're all starting to squeeze together and it'll be pop or drop, right?
Yeah, this is a mess right here. Oh my gosh.
Coach, would the safest play here just to do a straddle? Would that be the safest play?
Yes. When in doubt, always straddle it out, right?
It's fighting previous day's high.
Well, I'm in a straddle and I'm down $20 on each side, so
Yeah, it's because it hasn't
Yeah.
done anything. You're just losing on
yeah, just gotta
data.
sit here and wait it out. Yeah.
Oh crap. I got a fly like right now, gang. Can't even do my sign off.